Hey team, I wanted to go over the setup and tear down of drums if we ever need to. I have labeled all of these instruments with Velcro, and you'll notice the way to set them up on the carpet is to notice the number that corresponds to the particular instrument. Like for instance, this hi-hat here is number 1, and you'll notice two different number 1s down here. One of them has like this blue marker on it, and the other one does not. So this number 1 right here with the blue, that's the one you're going to want to put it on. This other one is for smaller players, like Riley right now, he's using the other one. So if you see something like this, that would be the one you want to put it on. And so you'll see a number of things here. I've actually labeled where to put the carpet, or you see it says back wall here. And I've also put just a little mark, where to put the carpet on the stage when we need to remove it. So you can also see I put this microphone, and I wrote on there snare next to number 1. And then each one has a number. So, number 2, that's these guys right here. You'll see the number down there that corresponds to that. Now, if there's a line like this, that means it's sharing the location for the smaller guys and the bigger guys. See number 2, and it just keeps going on. So you can see where I have the bass drum. You can see where this is located. You'll put the microphone right there like that. The overhead will go like that. I've labeled that drum overhead next to number 4, so you can know where to put it. And you can just notice like this looks like a mess here with all the Velcro, but again, the one you're going to want to put on is the one that has, like for instance, number 7 here. You see number 7 has a marker on it. Like this number 7 is for Riley and the smaller players. So that's pretty much it. All these are labeled too. Like this is floor tom number 2, floor tom number 1. All these microphones. This is drum overhead, so you can see that. So hi-hat. So all these microphone cables are also labeled. So, and it goes into that mess there. Eventually we're going to put that under the stage. But for right now, I wanted to give you that. Anyhow, just wanted to show you that. If you have any questions, let me know.